How to get plugins for Roblox Studio 2024. In this video, we're going to be quickly going through the Roblox Studio and we're going to be discussing on how you can get plugins for this amazing creation studio. All right. So to get plugins for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the store section where you should find plugins right over here. And what you can do to get plugins, choose any one of these, whatever you think is going to work for you. So let's say there's this plugin model which is Maxwell the cat. Okay, and once you have chosen it, simply click on get model, and look at that, it says this item has been added into your inventory. So you have gotten plugin for your Roblox Studio, and then you can also go ahead and try it in your Roblox Studio to see how it works. So yeah, basically that is pretty much about it. That is how you can get plugins for Roblox Studio in 2024. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Drop down a like, have a great day, goodbye.